Among Us continues to experience server connectivity challenges in 2025, despite significant infrastructure improvements by Sloth. Understanding these issues requires examining the current server landscape and the technical challenges facing millions of players worldwide. The primary server issues in 2025 manifest in three critical areas: authentication errors that prevent players from accessing their accounts, matchmaking delays during peak hours, and cross-platform connectivity problems between PC and mobile users. Sloth has implemented several key infrastructure improvements, including new regional servers across Asia-Pacific and European regions, enhanced DDoS protection systems, and a partial migration to hybrid cloud infrastructure using AWS and Google Cloud platforms. Among Us operates on a sophisticated network architecture that combines a client-server model for matchmaking and relay services with peer-to-peer connections for actual gameplay. This hybrid approach is overseen by dedicated servers that manage session coordination and player authentication. Server issues are categorized into three primary error code ranges: connection errors from 1001 to 1099, covering network timeouts and firewall issues; authentication errors from 2001 to 2099 for account verification problems; and server capacity errors from 3001 to 3099, indicating regional overload situations. Current data reveals significant patterns in server issues. Mobile devices account for 65% of reported connection problems, while peak hour congestion between 7 and 11 p.m. increases server load by 300%. Geographic disparities show rural areas experiencing 40% more connection issues compared to urban centers. The hybrid cloud infrastructure migration represents a significant technological advancement, combining the scalability of public cloud services with the control of private infrastructure. Enhanced DDoS protection systems now actively monitor and mitigate attacks in real time, providing improved stability for the player base. When experiencing Among Us server connectivity issues, the first step is implementing a comprehensive network reset protocol. This systematic approach resolves the majority of connection problems. The next critical step involves clearing your DNS cache, which stores outdated server addresses that may prevent proper connection to Among Us servers. Application-level fixes address issues within the game client itself. These solutions target corrupted files, outdated versions, and software conflicts that interfere with server connections. Advanced troubleshooting involves configuring network settings for optimal connectivity. Port forwarding and UPnP enablement ensure proper communication between your device and Among Us servers. Network address translation type significantly impacts multiplayer connectivity. Understanding NAT compatibility helps identify connection limitations and guides appropriate solutions. Different gaming platforms require specific troubleshooting approaches. Steam, Epic Games, and mobile platforms each have unique tools and settings for resolving connectivity issues. Mobile devices present unique challenges for Among Us connectivity. App permissions, background refresh settings, and network restrictions require specific attention for optimal performance. Implementing preventive measures ensures consistent connectivity and reduces future server-related issues. Regular maintenance and monitoring help maintain optimal gaming performance.